Desktop screen recorder using Python. Libraries required: Opencv-python, pyautogui, Numpy, pygetwindow. Opencv library for video processing. Pyautogui library for capturing screenshots. Numpy library for array manipulation. Pygetwindow library for getting the screen dimensions. How to download libraries. Open the command prompt, then copy Python packages from text file. Let's start install one by one through command prompt. Here, write code in Python file using PyCharm. I am simply showing how to write code. Just observe the screen after code explained step by step. To write a code stepwise inside the Python file, finally we get output like this.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.